solve multiple inequalities. It won't be just one inequality, it will be involving multiple inequalities. Okay, so it will be a system of inequalities, and let us plot them one by one. So let us first take 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Now 3x plus 4y equal to 12. If we are going to divide by 12, I'm going to get x by 4 plus y by 3 equal to 1 as double intercept. From that we are going to get two points. One will be the x-intercept, the other will be y-intercept. We have 3x plus y equal to 6. If we divide by 6, we get x by 2 plus y by 6 equal to 1. That will be the second equation. It will give us 2 more points. Now, before coming to the inequalities, I'll be focusing on these two inequalities. One is saying x is greater than or equal to 0. The other is saying y is greater than or equal to 0. These are called as non-negativity constraints. These are called as non-negativity constraints. Why non-negativity constraints? So this tells us the x coordinate and the y coordinate both should be positive, both should be either greater than or it can be equal to 0. So we have 4 quadrants, right? We have 4 quadrants: x-axis, y coordinates equal to 0. On y-axis you have x coordinates equal to 0. Here x coordinate, y coordinate both are positive. So x coordinate equal to 0 chalega, y coordinate equal to 0 chalega, x coordinate equal to 0 chalega, या फिर greater than 0 chalega. So in this region x is positive but y is नेगेटिव. सो ये रीजन नहीं चाहिए. यहाँ पे कोई भी पॉइंट अगर आप लोगे तो यू विल गेट एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट पॉजिटिव, वाई कोऑर्डिनेट नेगेटिव. यहाँ पे कोई भी पॉइंट अगर आप लोगे, इन दिस यू आर गोइंग टू गेट एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट नेगेटिव, वाई कोऑर्डिनेट नेगेटिव. एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट नेगेटिव, वाई कोऑर्डिनेट नेगेटिव नहीं चाहिए. एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट नेगेटिव, वाई कोऑर्डिनेट पॉजिटिव, एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट नेगेटिव नहीं चाहिए. So I want y coordinate to be equal to 0. For the point I want x coordinate to be equal to 0, and then I want the points for which both x coordinate and y coordinate are greater than 0. So they are called as non-negativity constraints. Negative x coordinates वाला point नहीं चाहिए, negative x coordinates वाला point नहीं चाहिए, negative y coordinate वाला point नहीं चाहिए. We want points only where x and y, both the coordinates are positive. So that will be covering points of first quadrant. So this will restrict our solution to first quadrant. That's why I'm focusing more on first quadrant. That is the bigger part of my diagram is first quadrant. Okay. Next, when I'm going to plot, now first straight line, if I'm going to plot the first straight line, the first straight line is having x-intercept as 4, y-intercept as 3. So before marking that, now one more thing which I want to remind you is, you have been doing this in school, you can write down the scale. Okay, you might not get the graph paper while writing the solution for this type of questions in boards, but you can still have a scale and use the ruler to do the proper measurements. You can take 1 centimeter for this, because the values are smaller, the intercepts are smaller. You can take 1 centimeter as 1 unit. Okay, on both the axes. You can take 1 centimeter as 1 unit on both the axes, right? So that you can do here. Then we can start marking the points. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 centimeter as 1 unit. We can take this. I'm not using the scale, but you have to use proper scale and the dimensions should be proper when you're making the graph. Not necessarily you will get the graph paper. So we have first point here, A, 4, 0. Okay. The second point which I want to plot is 0, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I am going to take the second point as, I'm going to take the second point here as 0, 3. The second point is 0, 3. First point is 4, 0. Second point is 0, 3. I get the first straight line right here. It is this passing through both A and B. 2 points are obviously enough to make the straight line. So this straight line is passing through both A and B. Okay. We are already focusing only on the first quadrant, points of first quadrant, or on x-axis here or on y-axis here. So A and B can be the part. Okay. 3x plus y. Next is 3x plus y equal to 6. Okay. Before that, I'll have to find out which side, origin side or non-origin side. So if you put 0, 0 in the inequality here, x as 0, y as 0, get 0 less than 12, which is true, and so the solution is origin side. Okay, as of now I'm shading the entire half plane, but we very well know that it is the first quadrant only. So as of now I'm just shading the entire half plane. Okay, the next equation will have x-intercept as 2. So x-intercept is 2. We have C 2, 0, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 D. X coordinate 0, y coordinate 6, 0, 6, and then we have a straight line. This straight line here will be the equation 3x plus y equal to 6. This straight line here has the equation 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Okay, so 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Straight line 1, 3x plus y equal to 6. Straight line 2. For that also we'll test origin satisfies or not. If it satisfies, we'll say the solution is origin side. If it does not satisfy with this, the solution is non-origin side. So we take 0, 0, we take 0, 0 and put it here. You get 0 less than 6. 0 less than 6 is true. So we get for this also the solution as origin side. Origin satisfies the inequality. All the other points around also will be satisfying the inequality. Okay, so now origin side for 3x plus 4y equal to 12, origin side for 3x plus y equal to 6. So and we want x to be positive, y to be positive. So where are the points which will satisfy all the 4 inequalities? Where are those points which will satisfy all the 4 inequalities? They are here. So if you pick up any point in this region which I have shaded, if you take any point, it will satisfy 3x plus 4y less than 12. It will satisfy 3x plus y less than 6. This point will satisfy 3x plus 4y less than 12, origin side. This point is on the origin side of 3x plus y less than 6. It will satisfy less than 6. This point is in the first quadrant. It will satisfy x positive, y positive. You take a point here, this point. This point also satisfies both the inequalities. This point will satisfy 3x plus 4y less than 12, will satisfy 3x plus y less than 6. Yes, it will satisfy, but it fails to satisfy x greater than 0. Y is greater than 0 for this point because it is very well above x-axis, but it fails to satisfy this condition. The point here also, if you take a point here, down here, the point here, it will satisfy 3x plus y less than 6. It will satisfy 3x plus 4y less than 12, but it fails to satisfy y positive. Y coordinate positive, upside. Y coordinate negative, lower side. So this has Y coordinate negative. Therefore, it does not satisfy the condition of first quadrant. Okay. So the points which I have in this quadrilateral, the points which I have, the points in the quadrilateral OCPB is the feasible region. Quadrilateral OCPB is the feasible region. Quadrilateral OCPB is the feasible region. It has all the points which will satisfy the inequalities. Okay. So quadrilateral OCPB is the feasible region where we have the coordinates of origin, we have the coordinates of C, we have the coordinates of B. If you want to find out the coordinates of P, you will have to solve the equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. Equation 1 is this equation. You can solve this equation with this equation. You can solve both the equations. You'll get the coordinates of point P also. Okay, so let me repeat. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. In this we get x coordinate, x intercept as 4, y intercept as 3. So we have x intercept as 4, y intercept as 3. X intercept is 4, y intercept is 3, straight line. 3x plus 4y equal to 12. X intercept as 2, y intercept as 6, x intercept as 2, y intercept as 6, 2, 6, second straight line. We want origin side for the first straight line, 3x plus 4y equal to 12. We want origin side for the second straight line, 3x plus y equal to 6. But for x greater than 0 and y greater than 0, we want first quadrant only. Therefore, this is the region which I am shading. If you talk about this point, it does not satisfy the first quadrant condition. It does not satisfy non-negativity constraints, but it satisfies the inequalities. It does not satisfy the non-negativity constraints. It satisfies the inequalities. Only the points here will satisfy all the 4 inequalities. So what is quadrilateral OCPB? It is a feasible region. Therefore, quadrilateral OCPB is a feasible region. That is the feasible region. Feasible region is comprised of points which satisfy all the inequalities. Feasible region is comprised of points which satisfy all the inequalities. Okay. So I'll be doing the next example as last example. We are going to do this example where quickly we'll start plotting we'll draw the graph very quickly. Okay, x-axis y0, I'll have y-axis, x is 0. Okay, scale you have to write scale every time. Scale will be 1 centimeter as 1 unit on both the axis. 1 centimeter as 1 unit on both the axis. That's the scale. 1 centimeter is 1 unit on both the axis. We have origin here. Okay, the first, when you divide by 3, we get x by 3 plus y by 1 greater than or equal to 1. X by 3, y by 1 greater than or equal to 1. So what I can do is I can take 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, A as a point which is 3, 0, and then we are going to take B as a point which is 0, 1, 1, 3, 0, 0, 1, and then we have a straight line connecting these 2 points. If I have a straight line, Now what I can do is I can put origin, and when I put origin, I see that it is coming greater than 3. Greater than 3 means it is 0 greater than 3. If I put x is 0, y is 0, I get 0 greater than 3. 0 greater than 3 is false. So 0 greater than 3 is false. Non-origin side. Origin does not satisfy. Next we have 3x minus y greater than 0. Now there is absence of constant here. That means it represents straight line passing through origin. What is this straight line equation? It is x plus 3y equal to 3. Okay, so x plus 3y equal to 3. That is the straight line. Next straight line is y equal to 3x. Next straight line will be 3x minus y equal to 0. 3x minus y equal to 0. Y equal to 3x. Okay, y equal to 3x. So 0 comma 0 se pass karega because it does not have constant, and if you put x as 1, you'll get y as 3. Okay, so we have 1, 2 and 3. So this is the point which is 1 comma 3. It will satisfy this, and this is the straight line. This is the straight line which I am talking about. It is passing through origin. This is the straight line, and it is y equal to 3x. 3x minus y equal to 0. Y equal to 3x. Okay. The next line is you divide by 6. You divide by 6 and you get x by 3 plus y by 2 less than or equal to 1. You divide by 6, you get x by 3 plus y by 2 less than or equal to 1. X by 3, a is 3 comma 0. वो same point आ जाएगा, and in y intercept you will need 2. So let me take a and let me take c. C is 0 comma 2. Okay, x coordinate, x intercept 3, 3 comma 0. Y intercept 2, 0 comma 2, and then I connect these points. Then I connect these points and I get a straight line again. Okay, this is x plus 3y equal to 3. This one straight line is 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Okay, before going to 2x plus 3y equal to 6 straight line, I need to find out what is the half plane for 3x minus y greater than 0. So to figure out that, I can use a point here. Very far, we take one point on x-axis 6 comma 0. Let us put 6 comma 0 in the equation 3x minus y, and there I get 18 minus 0. I have taken a point on x-axis. I can't take origin because origin lies on the straight line, so either you take x-axis or you take y-axis. So I'm taking x-axis 6 comma 0, putting it in 3x minus y. I get 18 greater than 0. 18 greater than 0. So this is the side, 3x minus y greater than 0. Okay, so 3x minus y greater than 0. So one is non-origin side. The other is coming as 6 comma 0 side. Now we go to 2x plus 3y equal to 6 straight line. 2x plus 3y equal to 6 straight line. In that, if I put 0 comma 0, in that if I use the test point, I can use the test point because it does not lie on the straight line. So I'm talking about line AC. If in line AC in 2x plus 3y equal to 6, if I put 0 comma 0, if I put 0 comma 0, 0 less than 6 is true. 0 less than 6 is true. So that means that will be coming origin side. So this will be coming origin side. I repeat, x plus 3y equal to 3 is non-origin side. Y equal to 3x is towards 6 comma 0. And this AC, it is origin side. AC is origin side. AB is non-origin side. Y equal to 3x is 6 comma 0. AC is origin side. AB is non-origin side. AC is, I repeat again and again, origin side. AB is non-origin side. Y equal to 3x is 6 comma 0 side. So what I get to know is this is the region. This triangle here, where one of the vertices we know, that is A, other vertices we can find out by solving the equations simultaneously. We can name them as P and Q. We can find out the coordinates. So triangle APQ is the feasible region. Triangle APQ is the feasible region. I repeat, x plus 3y greater than 3. If you put 0 and 0 as x coordinate, y coordinate, 0 greater than 3. 0 greater than 3 is false. So AB के लिए it is non-origin side. AC के लिए it is origin side. AC is here. If you put x and y as 0, you get 0 less than 6. 0 less than 6 is true. So AB के लिए non-origin side. AC के लिए origin side. And y equal to 3x के लिए, again I repeat, non-origin side and origin side, means we are talking about this part here, and in that y equal to 3x will give us towards 6 comma 0. So this is the triangle I'm talking about. Okay, so that is the solution for the question given above. So triangle is the formed by the points which will satisfy all the inequalities. The triangle is formed by the points which will satisfy all the inequalities. Okay. Yes, I hope the example is clear. This is a bit difficult one, but if you concentrate, it will be, if you concentrate, you'll understand, and once you understand, it won't be a problem any further. I'm talking about this AB as the first straight line, non-origin side. The first straight line is non-origin side. The third straight line is origin side. Okay, non-origin side, origin side, here is the intersection, and then comes y equal to 3x, 6 comma 0. Okay, I hope it is clear. So this is what we are going to conclude at. You should know how to plot the linear inequations. You should know how to make use of test point origin, how to tell the regions are, half planes are origin side, non-origin side. Linear inequation will always represent half plane. It will always represent the points forming half plane. Half plane can be origin side, can be non-origin side. That you can find out, or you can test by making use of point 0 comma 0. Okay, so that is it. In the next video, we are going to take word problems. Okay, thank you.